Hey, in this video I'm going to teach you how to customize your football cleats with any art that you want, and I'm going to do it in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first is we're going to take some acetone or nail polish remover and some cotton pads. Then we're going to take some high grit sandpaper and we're going to buff the surface to give the paint something to grip onto. Next, it's time to choose your paint. You can either use POSCA pens, which are really good for any beginners even without any painting skill, or if you want to go all out, you can use Angelus leather paints. I'm going to use a little mixture of both. So I'm going to use my POSCA pens to make a base coat. Then I'm going to whip out my beige and my white Angelus paint to do the face. And now, using light coats, we're going to add this beige to the face. And now, back to the POSCA, I want to add the shape of Mickey's face in with the black. Now using the white POSCA pen, let's add his eyes. And now, to add a little bit of detail, this is going to be difficult with this texture, but let's give some outlines to the face. And lastly, because this is black on black, we're going to give Mickey a little white outline with the POSCA pen. And maybe one of the most important steps is to use a clear coat finisher to seal your work in so that it doesn't get scuffed up. And there you have it. You can apply this methodology to any custom, any design, any complexity on any shoe. But there is one important thing I do need to mention. Don't try to paint on any fabric, mesh or fly knit right off the bat. If your cleats include something like a mesh or a fly knit, you're going to need an extra product called GAC 900. I've got another video that explains exactly how to use this and how to use it on fabric sneakers. Take a look by clicking on this next video.